a particle of mass m is moving around the origin with a constant force F pulling it towards the origin. A Bohr model is used to describe its motion. The radius r of the nth orbit and the particle speed v in the orbit depend on n as. So here the particle of mass m is moving around the origin with a constant force F. So the centripetal force here mv square by r, if r is the radius, v is the velocity, mv square by r is equal to the force F. This is the force which gives the centripetal force. So here mv square by r is equal to F. Now F is constant. Here it says the force is constant. So mv square by r is equal to constant. So mass is also constant. So v square by r is constant. So v square by r is constant. That is v r proportional to v square, or v square proportional to r. So v square by r is constant. That is r proportional to v square or v square proportional to r. Now it says that if Bohr model is used to describe its motion, so Bohr, we know that from Bohr's theory, we know that angular momentum, that is mvr, is constant. So mvr is constant, or mvr is equal to nh divided by 2 pi. So mvr will be constant for a particular orbit, that is nh by 2 pi. For nth orbit it is constant mvr. Now we have to see how v and r depends on n, that is mvr is equal to nh divided by 2 pi. Now vr, m is constant, h is constant, 2 pi is constant. So vr is proportional to n. So vr proportional to n, and we know that r is proportional to v square. So v into v square proportional to n, or vq proportional to n, or v proportional to n to the power 1/3. So v is proportional to n to the power 1/3. Now we know that r proportional to v square. So r proportional to v square. Now v is proportional to n to the power half. So v square will be proportional to n to the power 2/3. So r proportional to n to the power 2/3 and v proportional to n to the power 1/3. So here r is proportional to n to the power 2/3 and v proportional to n to the power 1/3. That is option 3 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.